Hi guys and welcome back to another video of Dil Ki Baat Tani ke साथ. My name is Tanishka and today I'll be talking about something super personal, my weight loss journey. A journey that has impacted my life in ways more than one. So before I get to the actual journey, let me rewind a bit and tell you. When I was a kid, I was very skinny and very tiny. And since I was so filmy, I always associated myself to be Pooh. Actually, मुझसे ज़्यादा everyone around me did because it was my favorite film. Pooh from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, guys. Just by the way. So I also started associating myself to her and मन में तो मैं वही थी यार, Pooh. But what happened was, as I grew older, I started gaining weight, which was a result of mainly the medication I was bombarded with as a child because of my very high allergy levels, and number two, a lot hormonal issues that was diagnosed quite later. Now, initially when I started gaining weight, I did not bother because in my head I was like, ठीक है, I'm still Pooh. This is okay. इतना तो normal है. इतना age बढ़ेगा तो इतना weight तो बढ़ेगा, right? But then what happened was I grew a little bit more and my weight also grew a little bit more than little. And also when you enter higher classes now, one thing that is very common is body shaming. So whether people said it on my face or no, I knew they were commenting about my body, they were talking about it, and just like anybody else, it did not go down well with me. It pinched my heart. It somewhere killed the Pooh within me. And definitely I was one person who would never like to show them that they managed to hurt me. I was like, nay, let it be. I don't want to give them the importance. They do not need to know that I'm upset by it, and nor did I bother to do anything. In my mind, I'm like, ठीक है, चल, after 10th standard, then I will work on it. But like they say, sometimes life has other plans. And before my 10th grade, like towards the end of my 9th grade, I was diagnosed with these hormonal issues that I told you in the start. And now anybody who has hormonal issues, you know, the first thing your doctor will tell you is to get fitter. You know, change your diet, change your lifestyle, etc. etc. Just like my doctor did. और मुझे आया बहुत गुस्सा, like बहुत गुस्सा, because the one thing that I was avoiding, that people tell on my face, this doctor said it on my face, and I did not like it. I felt hurt and I was like, how dare you tell me to lose weight? Okay, I literally went on full teenage rebel mode. But then guys, she was a doctor, and now once a doctor says something to your parents, they will really make you do it. Somehow they'll convince you, थोड़ा emotional blackmail करेंगे, and करवाया. तो थोड़ा मेरे से भी करवाया. And I did lose a little bit weight, but then I was like, see, now I'm not doing it dil se, so I just stopped because I was like, I have to focus on my 10th and I will do it as per my plan. So moving thoda ahead, my 10th standard got over, and now as per plan, this was time for me to lose weight because I had planned it, right? And I was very clear कि भाई weight lose करना ही है. And I was like, क्या ये? It can't be that difficult, right? क्या करना है? ज़्यादा क्या करना है? Diet करना है, थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करना है, थोड़ा सा लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करना है, एंड ऐसे यू लूज वेट टन्स. बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, फॉरगेट ऐसे, इवन ऐसे, I did not even lose a bloody gram. Not joking guys, not even a gram. I had, and it's not that I did not work hard, okay? I don't want to be boastful or anything, but I did work very, very, very hard. I starved myself. I used to work out for 2 to 3 hours a day in spite of having school, classes, etc. And I did not even lose a gram. Rather, I gained a little weight. And you know, अभी तो मैं बहुत practically बता रही हूँ ऐसे कि कुछ नहीं था, and I'm just saying it like a story, but at that time, it pinched so bad. In fact, even now that I'm telling you guys, you know, I can feel something churning in my stomach just thinking about it, because it was such a sad phase. It was pathetic, okay? It was really bad. And the point was not that I'm not losing weight. The point was that I've put in so much of effort. I've let go of so many things just for this, or ho hi nahi raha. It was just sad, okay? It was very sad. It was very painful. And I remember at that time, a few of my very close people were also on this weight loss journey, and they lost a lot of weight. Okay, I don't want to say anything more. They lost a lot of weight. They basically reached their body goals, and I was very happy for them, guys. But कहीं ना मुझे बहुत बुरा भी लगा, because I was like, मैंने क्या किया गलत यार, मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं हो रहा? ठीक है, मैंने भी तो एफर्ट डाला. Why didn't it happen? If anybody complimented them, I felt happy, but at the same time, my heart cried, because it's like something even you were waiting to hear so badly, and then in front of you they're telling everybody else and not you. थोड़ा बुरा तो यार सबको लगता है. It is not the best feeling in the world, and it's admitted. At least for me, it wasn't. I remember I used to check my weight every week. Okay, every week. I literally tore a piece of my heart every time I stood on that scale, because deep down I knew I was fighting a lost battle. I knew कि कुछ कम हो नहीं रहा, but I don't know why I did it. I possibly hurting myself had become a thing. And every time that I checked my weight, I literally fought with myself. I was like, why are you doing this, Tani? Why are you putting yourself through this shit? Just leave it. नहीं करना weight loss, भाड़ में क्या? And कितनी बार तो मैं छोड़ा भी, max for a day, because the next day somehow, I don't know why, I would just come back. I couldn't leave it. Maybe I wanted it so badly that every time I wanted to leave it or decided to leave it, a part of me would be like, tons months, एक और बार try कर ले, just one more time, babes. And I would just do it. और ऐसा करते 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 almost 2 साल हो गए. I remember I went to my doctor, so I changed my doctor, and I yelled at him in peak frustration. I was like, you have to give me medication. My hormonal levels are so high, they're just not letting me lose weight. Everyone around me is losing weight. This is not fair. And I had vented out, guys. I had lost my cool, which is something I rarely do in public, but it was just a very bad phase, like I said. So this bichara doctor listened to me calmly. He let me vent out and everything. And he told me, Tanishka, beta, one thing. With your level of problems and the medicines you've taken as a child, losing even 1 gram of weight is a very big thing. So stop putting that pressure on yourself. And I was like, ye pagal ho gaya kya? The reason I'm here is because I know that, right? I want to lose weight, sorry. You were supposed to give me the medication. I had again insisted, and he's like, please don't put yourself through that. The side effects of those are not easy, and I don't want to bombard you with that at this age. You need to focus on getting that problem out of your life. Get fitter, forget weight loss and everything. And I had really thought that doctor had went poo-poo. I was like, समझ ही नहीं आया problem क्या है and everything. I had really got mad and everything. Basically, it was like I said, just a phase, okay? When you're not getting what you want and you don't see an result, you start getting angry, and just like that even I did. Although today, guys, I am so thankful to that doctor, because he really did not listen to me. Thank God, because जितना गुस्से में मैं थी, I thought कि आज तो ये पक्का मानेगा, but he did not listen, and rightfully so. I did not have to take those medicines, so it just worked well for me. So thank you to him. So now coming back to the story, he did not give me the medication, and ऐसे दवाई तो है नहीं ना कि मैं गूगल करके ले लूँ. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. I had to just do it on my own. I had to continue till one day, I think, God finally was like, or the universe was like, यार इतना कर रही है, थोड़ा दे दो. And slowly, after I think 2 years, I started seeing a little bit of difference. Of course, I changed a lot of things in my diet and other things, and I told myself कि just do it, Tani, now just do it. ठीक है, मतलब don't pressurize yourself. Even though guys बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता, in my mind I really pressurized myself, but I just went on, okay, and eventually it worked. It took time. It took more than 2 years for me itself to see some minute results, let alone the world, but it worked. So anybody who asks me today, I tell them ki, the only thing I did was I did not stop. Even when all the circumstances around me forced me to stop, I did not let myself stop. And I think nothing beats that for anything in life. I know it's not easy. For anybody who says that reaching any kind of body goal, be it losing weight, gaining weight, anything, is easy, it is not. We don't even understand how much a body transformation journey can affect a person emotionally. Trust me, I know today. Like I said, I had felt my lowest then. and I will never, it's been 5 to 7 years, guys, I will never forget that phase. It has marked itself permanently on my head. And very honestly, today when I look back, I'm secretly glad that it happened this way, because I actually value what I have today so much more. You know, there's this Bollywood saying, जो हारता है वही जीतने का मतलब समझता है. And I totally agree. Had I possibly lost weight as per my initial essay wala plan na, so I wouldn't have really valued what I have today. Today I am so cautious about everything because मुझे पता है कि मैंने कितने पापड़ बेले हैं to reach even this. So sometimes, just sometimes, things don't work out because they have a bigger purpose in life, right? Now you'll be like, what is the big purpose about this? Like, you were so hot, etc. But there was. You know, even today when I'm in a very difficult situation in life, if like whenever I am, I always look back to this journey and I remind myself that tons, if you can do that, if you can get out of that, babes, you can do anything. Okay? I'm not saying that that was a very big thing. It probably wasn't. But it was a good motivation for me because I feel that nobody can inspire yourself more than your own self, right? I'm like, okay, if I can do that, why can't I do this? If that was so difficult, literally, medically it had become difficult, practically it had become difficult. If I fought that, I fought myself. And I don't think there can be a bigger fight than fighting yourself and winning. In a way, I'm not saying that today I've got the best body, no. All my insecurities have died, no. But I know that I am gonna be there for myself and I'm not gonna stop. And that's more than enough. आगे देखा जाएगा. Just continue doing it. Continue working on your insecurities. Get into a body transformation if you want to. Don't let the bloody world tell you what you want to do. And B, if you are getting to it, don't let anyone tell you कितना तो simple है, क्या ही नाटक कर रहा है, blah blah blah. You know in your heart how difficult it is. Appreciate your journey. The world doesn't clap for you, leave it, clap for yourself. Really, appreciate yourself. And most importantly, just don't give up. I know it's hard, I know sometimes it's frustrating, but just don't give up. Please, करते रहो. Eventually the universe will be like, ले लो. Trust me. And now if you've reached this point of the video, that means you've come to the end of the video. अगर end तक आ गए हो, then you know the drill. You need to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, lots and lots of love.